Hello guys and welcome to The Entrant. We don't just make you learn, we make you learn better. Let us start our video. In this video, we shall learn the concepts in organizing. Just imagine you are organizing a party. For that, what all you need to do? You will have to plan on it and then decide on who does what, and then you will have to coordinate all of it. The same thing is done in organizing too. Let's see, what does organization mean? It is the process that initiates implementation of plans by clarifying jobs and working relationships and effectively deploying resources for attainment of identified and desired result. For understanding purpose, you can take into account the previous example. Let's see the process of organizing, identification and division of work. You will have to first identify what are all the work to be done and then divide it among people. Taking the party example to account, you will have to arrange for place, decor, food, etc. So this must be identified and you cannot do this all alone. So you can divide it among your friends. Departmentalization. After dividing such work, you will have to find works of similar nature and then make them as departments. This is called departmentalization. Assignment of duties. The organization should allocate work to employees after this. For example, a sales executive will be given a specific area to cover and sell the product. Establishing reporting relationships. This is deciding on who is to order whom and who is the employee answerable to. For example, the manager will order the employee, and if the job is not done properly, employee should be answerable to the manager. Importance of organizing. Benefits of specialization. As specific workers do the same job continuously, they will get specialized, and this will in turn increase productivity. Clarity in working relationships. As the formal relationships are already defined, it is easy and clear to understand working relationships. Optimum utilization of the resources. Since there is reduction in overlapping of work, it results in best use of resources. Effective administration. Management becomes easy due to organizing, and this leads to effectiveness in administration. Development of personnel. As employees become more specialized, they tend to think creatively and develop themselves in a particular field. Adaptation to change. Organizing allows an organization to work well in a dynamic environment. Expansion and growth. Organizing helps the organization to take up new challenges, resulting in expansion and growth. Organization structure. There is a need for complex organizations to have a structure defined for effective functioning. This is just a chart or framework on organizing. Here is a small organization structure. Here, the topmost is to order the managers and they are answerable to the head. The same applies to the organizations too. For our convenience, organizational structure is divided to two types, functional and divisional structure. Let's understand them. Functional structure. Here, jobs of similar nature are grouped. For example, sales, production, and all such functions are there under functional structure. Divisional structure. This is used for big organizations which are so diversified. For example, take companies like ITC. They have Sunfeast, Ashirvad, Bingo, etc. under them, and each one is divided into separate divisions, and under this there are again functional structure. So this is divisional structure. Hope you found this video understandable. Thank you.